Moi! It's Turku Yoga Guide here. Welcome to join me again to do some more yoga poses. In this session, you will learn the meaning of Ahimsa, non-harming, non-violence, and also two yoga poses. The first one called Padangusthasana and the second one Padahastasana. Let's talk first a few words about Ahimsa. While you're practicing your yoga postures, the yoga poses, you shouldn't be harming your body at all. And how do you know if you're harming your body? If you feel any pain in your body while you are doing the pose, that's harming your body. You are trying too much or doing too much. And that means that you are allowed to do less and take it easier. Be kind to your body. So you should never feel any pain while doing the yoga poses. In the following postures, you might feel some pain in your knees or in your hamstrings or in your back. If you experience any pain on the back side of your body, try to do more softly and less. So let's stand up and take a look at the Parangustasana and Padahastasana poses. So in this pose, you create a grip with your index and middle finger. So that's the peace and love fingers. But before you use your two fingers, step your legs hip-width apart. With the inhalation, reach down to grab around your big toes, and if you need to, you can bend your knees as much as you need to. Once you are here, try to straighten your knees. Inhale, lengthen your spine and look up. And then as you exhale, fold all the way down and now bend your elbows. The elbows can either point outwards towards the sides of your body, or you can bring the elbows next to your legs so you press your elbows against your legs. So two options. Option number one, open your elbows to the side. Option number two, bring the elbows next to your legs. Drop the weight of your head down, gaze up towards your navel, and stay here for 5 in and exhalations. After the 5th exhalation, as you inhale, lengthen your spine, open your heart, and straighten your arms, your elbows. Exhale and stay. Then Padahastasana. Tuck your hands underneath your feet so the soles of your feet are touching your palms, and try to get your toes touching your wrist. So this pose is meant to stretch your wrists. And again, if you need to, you can bend your knees. As you inhale, straighten your spine, open your heart, look up. Exhale, fold all the way down, drop the weight of your head, try to straighten your knees, and stay here for 5 in and exhalations. And remember to activate your bandha, so draw the sitting bones together and also lift your pelvic floor in towards yourself. After the 5th exhalation, take a deep breath in to lengthen your spine, straighten your elbows, look up. Exhale and stay. And then place your hands on your waist, inhale and come all the way up to a standing. Exhale, bring your legs together and finish in Samastitihi. So these were the two poses. Padangusthasana, where you grab around your big toes, and Padahastasana, where you tuck your hands underneath your feet. Let's do them again with the vinyasa count. Start in Samastitihi. As you inhale, step your legs hip-width apart and reach down to grab around your big toes. Lengthen your spine, look up. Exhale, fold all the way down, drop the weight of your head, look up towards your nose and stay here. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, you can either keep your elbows pointing to the side, 3, or you can bring your elbows next to your legs. 4, 5. As you inhale, straighten your arms, lengthen your spine, look up. Exhale and stay. And now tuck your hands underneath your feet, Padahusthasana. Inhale, lengthen your spine, look up. Exhale, fold all the way down, drop the weight of your head and look towards your nose. 1. And remember that the posture should be comfortable and you should be able to breathe softly and deeply. 2. If you cannot breathe, then back off a little bit. Soften your body. 3. 4. 5. Inhale, lengthen your spine, look up. Exhale and stay. Inhale, bring the hands on the waist and come all the way up back to standing. Exhale, Samastitihi. So these two poses will help you to gain flexibility on the back side of your legs, your knees, your hamstrings, and also they will open the back muscles. So you might have some tightness in the lower back or in the upper back. So while you're bending forward, you are creating more space behind your body, and that will open and stretch the dark side of your body, which is also called the western side of your body. That remember, if you're experiencing any pain in your knees, in your hamstrings, in your back, you are doing too much. So please back off to a little bit less, be kind to your body and respect your body's abilities, the flexibility and the strength that you have. In the next session, your body should have some more flexibility and strength in your legs in order to do the next pose, which is called Trikonasana, a triangle pose. Until then, keep on practicing, and I see you soon again. Kiitos, moi moi!